Alright, progress. I have both handlebars on. Still mocking up. Going to use bar end mirrors. Trying to figure out how I'm going to run all this wiring. I've mapped out the wiring diagram, so I'm going to lose some functionality out of this, but it's going to be fine. Going to do the disc brakes. I guess you pop out this main cylinder, clean inside, and then push it back in. And in theory, that makes it less sticky. And I'm gonna take some of this back end off because we still have all the stuff on this thing. So let's start clearing some of that off to match the new front end. Oh, and ordered new shocks, partially because I want to take the air shock, that air tube, whatever, from this one to that one, and connect it from here to here using this, because I need to connect these to the tops to where these little air holes are. It's gonna be interesting. Okay,